Hey guys, I just started to do a ammo stockpile video, and currently I have 3 boxes. First is my 22, of course, as you can see, 22 and my pellets for the BB gun, and 12 gauge in my pistol ammo, which I keep in here. In here is a little bit of everything. This is my prepper kit, which I keep everything, like if I needed to leave and I can only grab one box, this will be it. And I really like these plastic ones, plastic containers, because of the O seal right here. I really like them. And they're really waterproof, which I kind of like. So, okay, well, none of these are full, and as soon as I fill these up, I will be showing you. Currently, what I have in here is one of the 300 count of the .177s. Some of these ballistic tips, pellets. Some of the, I can't remember what they're called. I think they're like supposed to be like hollow points, but they're not. Pellets. If somebody could tell me what these are, a friend gave them to me, and he said they're alright. And some more like those. I like these. They're kind of like hollow points. And I got a couple empty mags that I will be filling up. A couple empty mags that I will be filling, or not mags, but boxes for my 22. I'll be filling those up soon. Okay, for my 12 gauge and pistol ammo, I got a box of American Eagle 9mm, 115 grain full metal jacket, and I also got some of these, a full box of, these are really old, but I decided I was going to keep them. The Golden Saber high performance jacket, Remington. It is 124 grain brass jacket at hollow point. That's all I got in my shotgun slash pistol. And right here, I'll start from the top. This is my only grab one thing and get out. I know this is a little bit off topic, but I got some of these glow-in-the-dark for night fishing. I got some like 4 boxes of matches, a little thing I had to put Q-tips in, another thing of glow-in-the-dark for night fishing, and my little fire kit, which has a fire starter and 2 lighters. Okay. Back to topic. In my little ammo thing, I have a flashlight and a little kit that I put together, which has lighter, a multi-tool, band-aids, a knife, a couple knives, and tweezers. And I have some of the Winchester 22 long rifle. If it'll focus. 40 grain, 1300 feet per second, and they're the super speed round nose copper plated. It is a full box, 100. I have a full box of Tula ammo for the 7.62 by 39. I do not currently own a AK or SKS, but I will be getting one soon, so I decided I'll just get one box. And what else I have is a box of the CCI mini mags. They're the copper plated hollow points, not the round noses. And they are, if it'll focus again, it's having a hard time focus. So they are the 36 grain, 1260 feet per second. If we can get it to focus. There it is. 1260 feet per second, 36 grain. I only have 2 boxes of 22 right now. I know it's not much of a stockpile, but yeah. I also have a box of 223 Tula ammo, but it's in one of my other boxes, which I really don't want to take down right quick. And in here is all my 12 gauge shotgun ammo. It's a big old pile of it. I reload 12 gauge, so there's a bit of it, and I put more stuff in it. I got a full box of the Winchester Super X, the 2 3/4, 2 3/4, 7.5 shot. The full box, which is 25 rounds, and I also have some of the shot shells for the 22, and though it is this camera or my phone is very crazy. It's not focusing right now. There it is. 12 shot, 1,000 feet per second, and 31 grain. And I have about, I'd say, 50 of the Universal that you can get from like Walmart. I kind of decided to do it with that. And this is my shotgun area where I reload and try to stockpile on it. But tell me what you think of my stockpile so far, and I will be doing a update video of more ammo that I do get in, and tell me what y'all think, and if anybody, can anybody tell me if they like these plastic boxes? I got this one from Walmart, and it's supposed to be the Boater's dry storage box. It's not really for the ammo, but I kind of liked it. And tell me if y'all like these plastic boxes more than the metal boxes, or if you like the metal boxes more. And if you could leave reasons in the comments, that would be nice. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, comment, like. Please like. And it is very helpful if you label the boxes, because if you label the boxes, you won't have trouble trying to go to the box really quick. And if you're in a shit hit the fan situation, you could get the right box for the right situation. I haven't labeled this box yet because it really doesn't need a label, because it has all of it and it just doesn't make sense to label everything. See, that's my 12 gauge label. I just printed it off, cut it nice size, and put tape over it. And here's my 22 label. 22 LR label. And it's really nice. Tell me what you think of the video, if I could improve on anything. And thanks, guys.